This comprehensive prompt is designed to help intermediate to advanced English learners actively transition their internal monologue and cognitive processes from their native language to English. It focuses on systematic immersion, practical exercises, and psychological strategies. Phase 1. Setting the stage for immersion, internal and external. 1. Create your English-only zones, the environment. Change device settings. Immediately switch the language on your phone, computer, and frequently used apps, social media, email, navigation to English. This forces constant, low-stakes exposure. Physical labeling. Place sticky notes with the English names on 20-30 common objects in your immediate surroundings, for example, refrigerator, doorknob, keyboard, mirror. When you interact with an item, mentally or quietly say the English word. Exclusive media diet. Commit to consuming at least 90% of your leisure media, music, podcasts, YouTube, Netflix, news in English. Choose content you genuinely enjoy to maintain motivation. 2. The internal monologue. Start small and build up the thought process. Word association. When you see an object, practice rapid-fire word association only in English. For example, table, dollar, writer, dollar, wood, dining, chair, flat, heavy, coffee, study. Do this for 1 minute every hour. Simple sentence narration, the I am ... single quotes technique. Begin narrating simple, present tense actions and states in your head. Avoid translation. Instead of thinking the Turkish word for tired and then translating, go directly to the English thought. I am thirsty. The traffic is heavy. I need a coffee. I am leaving now. Self-correction mindset. When you catch yourself translating from Turkish to English, immediately stop. Acknowledge the English thought only, even if it's grammatically imperfect. The goal is speed and direct connection, not initial perfection. Phase 2. Structured daily practice, the exercises. 1. The daily recap bedtime routine. Before falling asleep, spend 5 to 10 minutes summarizing your entire day in English in your head. Structure. Start with the morning and progress chronologically. Focus on actions, feelings, and simple descriptions. Example, I woke up at 7. I was tired. I ate eggs for breakfast. Then I went to work. My boss asked me a question. I felt nervous. In the evening, I watched a movie. It was a good day. Goal. This activity leverages the brain's natural tendency to review the day, reinforcing vocabulary and sentence structures learned. 2. The if, then scenario builder. Choose a real or imaginary future event, for example, a meeting, a shopping trip, a conversation. Spend 5 minutes mentally rehearsing it in English. Focus on dialogue. Imagine what you will say and what the other person might say. Focus on planning. If the store doesn't have milk, then I will buy juice. If my friend is late, I will read my book. This trains conditional and future tenses directly in thought. 3. English journaling active production. Write a short, non-stop entry 200 to 300 words in a journal or on your phone every day. Rule: do not look up any words during the writing process. If you don't know a word, find a simple English synonym or rephrase the sentence. This strengthens your ability to work around missing vocabulary, a critical skill for fluency. Topics: your thoughts, a book summary, an opinion on a news item, or future goals. 2. Think in concepts, not words. When you want to express an idea, for example, the idea of being late, train your brain to go directly to the concept and then to the English expression running behind schedule. Tardy, delayed, rather than focusing on the single Turkish word and its direct equivalent. Practice describing abstract ideas: justice, happiness, success, using only English terms and definitions. 3. Use English for emotional processing. During moments of strong emotion, excitement, frustration, concentration, consciously try to articulate your feelings in your head using English phrases. This is so frustrating. I am very happy about this. I must focus now. This connects the language to deep emotional anchors. The ultimate goal, the consistent application of these phases, will lead to a reduction in the need for internal translation. Your brain will begin to form direct pathways between concepts and their English expressions, enabling you to think, process, and ultimately speak with natural speed and confidence. Consistency is the key to unlocking the English-only mindset.